So now when we start the game, okay, let's take a look at how it looks like when the logo of Stellar Stars is shown, or should I say the starting screen is shown, and press any key to start is shown below. Okay, let's move the mouse cursor away. Okay, so press any key to start is, yep. Okay, it's rather small. Okay. Okay, should we go for a bigger size text here? Okay, currently this is 200% exported from Photoshop, so if we want it to be bigger, then we need to export it to 400%, which means it's twice this size. Okay, we will just stick with this size, which is 2x, 200%. Version 0.085. Okay, so the next text that we have to change is the version number. So over here, okay, let's change this to 0.086. Okay. So alpha version 0.086. So we have to change this to use the font that we are using. So at least the font is consistent. Okay, let's insert a row here. Okay, and let's type in alpha. Okay, V 0.086. Okay, let's save this. Okay, and in Japanese it will be alpha. Okay, you can just use this. Okay, space. Okay, should I just use version, which is rather long? Okay, we'll just use this. Okay. Okay, let's give it some space here. Okay, so let's create this. Yeah. Which should be rather straightforward. Okay, let's close this. Next, we'll create a new group and let's call it alpha v 0.086. Okay, so we'll start with alpha. And the first letter is, or rather the first alphabet is A. Duplicate this. Okay, so one thing that I have to really highlight is that whatever software or app you're using, it's good to know the shortcuts. Or if there are no shortcuts that are already set up for what you need to do quite often or frequently, okay, set it up yourself so that you can save a lot of time. Okay, so A. Okay, next we need L. Okay, since we don't have an L, we'll just create one. Oops. Okay, next we need a P. So duplicate it. Okay, for me, duplicate is Command J. PH. So we don't have a H, so let's create that. Okay, and lastly, okay, let's duplicate A and bring it here. Oh, okay. Okay, let's create a new group, and for me, I've set the shortcut as Control Command G. Okay, version 0.086. New layer B. V0. So okay, we have to make sure that our 0 is not similar to our O. Okay, so I'm just checking OBS and the Twitch TV chat. Okay, so V0. Okay, so our O is something like that. That means for 0, we have to make sure that it does not look like our O. So this can get tricky. So we have to make sure that our 0 is a 0 and not an O. Okay, so this is O. We need to change this to be a 0. So for 0, okay, what if we make it a square, or should I say a rectangle instead? Okay, let's try using this. Okay, 0.086. So we need 8. Okay, by the way, if you find that the music is louder than my voice, okay, do let me know. Okay, and I will sort of tone the, or rather reduce the volume of the background music. Okay, so because currently the background music and the mic are both set at maximum. So if you find that one is louder than the other, or if you can't hear my voice, do let me know. Okay, 0.08. Okay, so for 8, okay. Yeah. Okay, so this will be our 8. And next we need a 6. Okay, so for 6, how should we do this? Okay, I'm assuming that the upper part of 6 is somewhat similar to an S, or rather a S. So it could be something like this. Okay. Nope. How about this? Nope. How about this? Nope. Okay, what if we remove this? Oops. Okay, now it looks like a 6. Okay, so the only thing that I'm not satisfied with is the O. Sorry, the 0. Because it doesn't feel like it belongs with the 8 and the 6. So I'm gonna make some changes to it. Okay. Oh, okay. So, what if we do something like this? Okay, this is dangerously close to a D, so nope, we can't do this. And this could be mistaken as a 6. We could definitely do something like this where we create a slim version of it. So as you can see, it's rather slim. If we hide this, okay. Okay, now it looks better. Yep, now it looks better. Okay, so next we're going to create a new document for our version number here. So same thing, we use a height of 12 and a width of, so if this is 200, this should be, okay, let's try 120. Okay. Oh, okay, we can use 100. Not exactly. Okay, that means it has to be somewhere between 100 and 120, and it must be a multiple of 4. So okay, maybe 108, 12. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So there we have it. Okay, let's save this as layout main scene underscore version. So as usual, we'll use the same name as what we're going to replace, and let's export it. So it will be rather small, okay, but it's fine. Okay, normal, which is 1x. Okay, and let's paste it here. By the way, if I'm not responding to what you are typing in the Twitch TV chat, okay, that doesn't mean that I'm not responding, but more like I don't see anything yet. Whoa. Okay, so 1, 1. So we have to change this to point, apply. Okay, so it appears sharp. And press any key, we have to change it to point as well. Okay, let's change it to, oh, okay, we have to, for this we have to use 16 bits because we are doing some simple image effects, which is fading in and out. Okay, so now when we start the game, okay, we should have the new version, okay, shown directly in the center and center bottom of the starting screen. Okay, so the alpha version 0.086. Okay. So even though it's extremely small, okay, let's change the pixels per unit to 72, which I find is closer to pixel perfect. Okay, 72. Okay. Okay, so let's see what does it change. Okay, maybe I should say that what changing the pixels per unit will change. Okay, as you can see, they look much better now. And okay, press the words, press any key to start is not wider than the logo, and it's big enough, so that's good. Okay. So next we have to change the text here and here and of course here. Oops. Okay, so let's do that. So the next batch of text will be the character's name and description. Okay, so let's open up the existing version that we will be sort of replacing. Okay, so let's go to characters. Oh no, layout, character select. Okay, and okay, let's go to our first character here. Okay, let's create a new layer and place it below here and there. Okay, so we are about to sort of duplicate, or should I say replace this with our font design. Okay, there's one more thing that we need to add to this. Okay, and that is the special circle S. Okay. Which is around the letter S. Yep. So we'll be replacing all of this. So I'm just going to move everything here just for reference. So let's start with the character's name, which is beat. Okay, so let's create a new group and let's call it beat info, and we create a subgroup and call it beat. Okay, so let's start with B. Okay, for B we will use the same as what is being used for the dialogue. So which is font and B. Okay. So for B, what we are doing is this. Okay, so this is our B. Yeah. Okay, so it's the same. Okay. Okay, next is E. Okay, so our E is standard. And next we have our A. Okay, and our T.